process. So in this video we are going to convert a blouse into a Kid Shrug. We can reuse old tight blouses into a Kid Shrug, and that is a very interesting idea to reuse those tight blouses which are lying in our houses. So and this DIY will take only 10 minutes, so let's check my video. I hope you really like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and you can also share this video with your friends and family, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos, and you can also follow my channel on Facebook, Google Plus and Instagram, and keep watching my channel. Thank you and bye.